Well, I'll show you. Come on. I thought of you when I saw this. All right.
So, what?
Come on.
Oh my God! What is? Are you okay?
I'm totally fine.
What's wrong?
It's
What
Surprise. Happy birthday.
I stepped and went, oh, there's Shell. Who's with her?
I brought a friend.
Oh my God, honey.
oh, Mama.
Okay, so what's going on? What is this?
Told you I had something to do last night.
You went, she picked you up last night? You're kidding. How did you get here?
She
You
flew
lost
off.
weight.
No.
She flapped really, really hard.
Oh my God. Okay. Does Dad know?
No.
Okay, I'll keep the secret.
Only one who knows is Bonnie.
He's gonna. Bonnie knows.
I couldn't keep the secret any longer.
Oh my God. God. Guys, just. Do you see any more gray hair? Oh. Okay, get your stuff and come on.
All right, we'll do that.